What's the meaning of archly? Archly. Archly.
Archly. Archly. The word archly is an adverb that can be used to describe someone who is behaving or speaking in a manner that is playful, mischievous, or teasing. This type of behavior or speech may be characterized by a subtle sense of superiority or cleverness, as if the person is in on a secret that others are not. The effect of such behavior or speech is often to provoke a reaction from those around them, such as amusement or irritation, and to create a dynamic of tension or competition between the arch person and their audience.